Hey guys, Jason Nickel here. Had a quick question on how to separate out the full name on Excel spreadsheets here. If we don't have the full name separated out into first and last, we just had a question on how to do that. For various reasons, you might want to do this, but in this case, it was for skip trace, and our system will allow you here in just probably less than a week to allow to upload the full name. But here's how you can separate it out for the time being here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this full name column. We'll copy it. And what I want to do is move this full name. We have actually, this is even more detailed than what most people will see because we have two different names in a lot of these, right? So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to bring it over to the end column here because we're going to be spacing these names out, and what happens is they'll delete out existing columns as you expand them out. Okay, so now we've got this copy and pasted onto the end column. And we're going to go over here to the data column. I'm using a Mac, but this should be very similar for everybody. And we're going to hit this text columns button. So we're going to stay with the delimited. We're going to click next. And typically what you'll see is it'll start out just like this, but we want to decide how we want to tell the system to indicate where it needs to break these into new columns. So we know for sure we've got when we hit a space, we want to break that into a column. So we'll click that space button. And then we also see if you have a special character like this and symbol, you can indicate to the system that you want to break those into columns as well. So I'm going to click that and it'll delete the and button and then just give us the first and last. So now you can see here how this is set up, and there are different ways then depending on how your file is set up to kind of play with this and make sure that it's giving you the results that you want to. So I'm going to go ahead and click finish, and now you'll see you'll need to rename your columns, but you see we've got first name, last name, right? So that's a very quick and easy way to get to the first and last name columns that we currently require for skip tracing. Thank you.